Thanks for choosing Fix-A-Floor for all your hollow and loose floor repair needs. Fix-A-Floor is a very fluid product. The low viscosity allows it to flow and cover the entire void, including hard to reach places. I'm going to talk to you about some common mistakes that can result in the product leaking out the bottom of the bottle. So number one, make sure that you've cut the seal on the bottle with a Stanley knife. So that is just this section here. Number two, make sure you cut the customizable tip as this comes sealed. There are steps on the product here that can be cut to meet your needs. Number three, don't over pressurize the bottle. You need to be more mindful of this when you're using the precision syringe tip, which is this one here. When using a caulking gun, it won't behave the same way as what you might be used to when using other products such as silicone. Caulking guns come in different ratios, such as 10:1 or 20:1. For example, a 20:1 ratio exerts 20 pounds of pressure per pump. Due to the low viscosity of Fix-A-Floor, we recommend using a caulking gun with a 10:1 ratio or lower. You should pause for 7 to 10 seconds in between pumps, which will allow time for the pressure to release and the product to flow. So let's see how Fix-A-Floor flows in practice. So I'm going to do a single pump and I'm going to wait. So as you can see, I'm not doing anything here, I'm just allowing it to release. The product has been specifically formulated this way because one, it allows it to flow under the entire void without having to remove or replace any flooring. And two, once it sets, it holds an extremely strong bond between the floor and the substrate. So this was achieved using a single pump. It's important not to use multiple pumps because the product has got to go somewhere and it will end up coming out the back. So this is why you should take your time and allow it to flow naturally. To summarise, the included tip is customisable to be used with different sizes of grout line. The larger the hole you cut in the tip, the less time you'll need to wait between pumps. This is because the pressure will be released quicker and Fix-A-Floor will flow more easily. It's important to be mindful of the size you're using. Take your time, especially when using the precision micro tips. Allow time for Fix-A-Floor to flow naturally before pumping again. We recommend pausing in between pumps. The timing will vary depending on the size of tip you're using. Don't over pressurize the bottle. If there's too much pressure, the adhesive will be forced to find another way out, which will result in leakage from the bottom. Fix-A-Floor is very easy to use. It can be used on all types of tile, wood, laminate and LVT flooring. It can be used on all types of substrates, including areas with underfloor heating. It holds an extremely strong bond and is ideal on problematic areas where removing and replacing is not an option. If you have any questions, our team is here to help. Contact details are available on our website, fixafloor.co.uk. If you'd like to speak to a real human being, you can call us during normal office hours on 0121 270 8883. Thanks for your time. I hope this video has been useful and thank you for choosing Fix-A-Floor.